Hey, I'm Léandre Larouche with Trivium Writing, and today I'm with Gareth Benson. Gareth, what are we looking at in this box?
Léandre, my editor of over 6 months from Trivium Writing. My name is Gareth Benson. I am the principal lawyer here at IP Assist, Gareth Benson Lawyers and Associates. And today is a very big day, isn't it, Léandre? Because we've been working for 6 months to publish a book, and it's just arrived.
Yeah.
Here at 8 a.m., 2 days before the book launch.
Yeah.
1 day.
Yeah, so between Canada and Australia, now you've got your 50 copies for IDEAOLOGY, just got here in Darwin, in Northern Territory in Australia. So you want to open that box?
Absolutely. Listen, this has been a labor of love. I have to say, Léandre, I couldn't have done this part without you. This book began 5 years ago in Melbourne. And we know that the people of Melbourne and Sydney and East Coast Australia are suffering right now. And that's why I actually want to dedicate this opening to them. These are my friends, my families, my colleagues, the digital entrepreneurs that are persevering despite the massive lockdowns around the world. It couldn't be a better timing in my mind, because it's all about unboxing new ideas. Coming up with new ideas and bringing them out to market and expression of ideas is probably one of the hardest things you'll ever do. And I can certainly say that's been the case for me. This book has been a labour of 5 years, but we've been working for about 5 or 6 months every week to actually improve the quality of the expression of this intellectual property. So I couldn't be happier to be opening it now here with you, Léandre, because you have certainly been in the trenches. And despite all the complexities in the world, you're in Canada, I'm here at the top end in Darwin, Melbourne, Australia, and here we have co-produced this very first book of mine, and it's called IDEAOLOGY. Here it is, this is the moment. It's interesting too, Léandre, because as you know, it's a day before my birthday, and I couldn't think of a better thing to be unwrapping here than my book. So here it is, guys.
Most beautiful gift. There's a quote in your book that says the best gift is you, it's your identity. Wow, look at this.
All right, here it is. I'm gonna
maybe. Oops,
this
lost you. Look
That's
at
it.
Baby.
First time I've actually seen my baby, and here it is, IDEAOLOGY.
We made it happen.
Friday, we've got an online workshop, and it's 8:30 a.m. in person at the Darwin Innovation Hub, and online. This is also for the friends, family, colleagues who are all persevering through these lockdowns, wherever you are in the world. We've got a nice workshop on the premise of IDEAOLOGY, about bringing your best ideas to market. So I'm going to put that here and say thank you again, Léandre.
Yeah, and I have to say it's been really interesting working on this specific project as a young entrepreneur, because it speaks to so many of the parts in that entrepreneurial journey. And the beauty of this book is that you can read it if you don't even have an idea yet. You could be reading it as an executive and you would still find value. And what I found to be the most interesting thing is that I could go all the way back to when I first began my business and kind of see the little holes and the little ways that I could improve it. And I could also locate where I am and what you call the heroic journey, the hero's journey. And it's been really fascinating for me to see all these ideas. And there's such a wealth of ideas, of approaches that you can use for your business. So even as your consultant, as your editor, it's been amazing working on that book, and I've learned so much.
Well, thank you from me, from Australia to you, Léandre. I'm going to welcome everyone one last time to come along for IDEAOLOGY. It is the book launch this Friday. This is the first copy. Smells so fresh. Thank you very much. And yes, it is about bringing your best ideas to market. We will go through 5 key steps, which is the ideas framework. It's all about finding a compass to navigate your way through the uncertainty so you can sail your ideas into the blue ocean of success that you deserve. I look forward to seeing you on Friday, and thank you again, Léandre. It's been great working with you.
Welcome.